Hey everyone, so today we're going to talk about stroke. So oftentimes you will hear that someone had a stroke or they suffer from a massive stroke or that person had a recent stroke, that person sick right now, they got a stroke. I am going to let you understand what is the meaning of a stroke, signs and symptoms of a stroke, and what you could do to prevent yourself from getting a stroke. Okay? So let's start. What is a stroke? A stroke basically is a brain attack. This is when there is a shortness or blockage of blood that is being supplied to the brain. So there's two types of stroke which the blood not supplying to the brain enough. So let's look at it. There's a ischemic stroke. This is when there is a blockage in the blood vessel, and because the blood vessel have a blockage, blood cannot flow to the brain properly. The next type of stroke is a hemorrhagic stroke, and this is when blood is leaking from the blood vessels and blood cannot be, the enough supply of blood cannot reach the brain. So we talk about the two types of stroke and what is a stroke. So the stroke is a brain attack, the brain under attack. So if you ever heard of a heart attack, it's similar. Brain attack, heart attack. So, but these signs and symptoms are different. So when someone gets a stroke, you will see it on one side of their body. This could be the left side or the right side of the body. So you often hear somebody say they had a left-sided stroke or a right-sided stroke. Now, some signs and symptoms of this stroke: you're going to feel numbness to the body. You're going to feel, you're going to hear a change in your speech. You will have a slurred speech. You will not be able to walk properly. You will need some form of walking aid or some form of assistance to walk, because all of your body on whatever side, whether it's the left or right side, will be numb. Now, this will take a long time, probably months or weeks, to get like total recovery. You will have to take medication. You will have to be on some form of stroke rehabilitation therapy. However,